Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should go and buy the Casio MRW 200H series. This is a watch that I have been owning for several years now, and I must say that I'm really impressed with the quality that they offer for this budget, and also I'm pretty sure that you are going to be convinced at the end of this video in order to go and buy this watch. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to this particular model, guys, so make sure to check it out. Also, if you're new to the channel and enjoy videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, make sure to subscribe. Now, the first thing that I want to say is that this particular Casio watch has a day-date complication, and when it comes to the day of the week, you have 2 languages, so you can select between English and several other languages. For example, it can be German, Spanish, Japanese. It depends where you buy it and also what option you opt for. So if I pull the crown to the first position, I can go in one direction, and as you can see here we have lun, which is lunes in Spanish, and then if I go forward you can see Tuesday, then martes, Wednesday, miércoles, and the list goes on. And then if I rotate in the other direction, you can set the day of the month. So this is a complication that is very useful, especially if you are looking for one watch to wear on a daily basis. And this is also quartz, which means you do not need to worry about it. You just need to set the date once per month and you are good to go. Everything is going to be set. Now, the second thing that we need to talk about is the water resistance. So even at this very entry level Casio watch, you get 100 meters of water resistance. You have 4 screws on the back that we are really accustomed to. You also find these on G-Shock watches, but this one features 100 meters compared to other G-Shock watches, such as, for example, the Casio, the GM2100. This one has 200 meters of water resistance. So once you get into G-Shock watches, you are going to get 200, but nonetheless, this is a great buy because it has 100 meters. The third thing is that you get military time on the display. As you can see here, we have the big hour markers up to 12, and then we have smaller hour markers on the inner side that go up to 24. As you can see here on the right, I have a Hamilton khaki field watch. So this is a big and more expensive field military watch, but nonetheless on this one you get this feature as well. This makes it very easy for you to read the exact time, and also this is something really cool that they wanted to integrate in this particular model. The fourth thing is the overall aesthetic of the watch. Although you have this field looking dial, you get this rotating bezel that actually goes bi-directionally, so do not expect a click or something like that, but this gives you that diverse look, that diverse feeling. So you get a lot of different features, different things taken from different types of watches mixed into this particular model, and that is something that I love a lot. You get that Casio DNA when it comes to the strap and the water resistance and so on, but you also have the day-date complication, you have the bezel, you have the field dial as well. So that is something really cool. There is a lot of attention to detail. For example, also if you pull the crown to the last position, the movement also gets a hacking. So you also have a hacking on this particular movement. A lot of things have been put into this particular model, guys. If you push the crown all the way back in, the watch is going to start ticking again. And the last thing that I want to talk about is the strap and how comfortable this watch is going to be on the wrist. You get that classic resin Casio watch that is very easy to wear, very comfortable. It is going to look very good on the wrist. As you can see, I have a wrist of 6.5 inches, 165 centimeters, and this watch looks amazing. I would say it is a great fit for medium and large wrists. So guys, that was the quick video that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed this type of content about watches and vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch unboxing videos, make sure to be subscribed to this YouTube channel, leave a comment, also like this video. It really helps the channel grow. Check this watch, link in the description box below, and also our website vintageradar.com, where we sell vintage watches. So thousands of vintage watches that I'm pretty sure you are going to enjoy. like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.